What is up, guys? This is your boy KingCyberWolf. Today we are going to do a tutorial. A friend of mine asked me to do a tutorial on how to record and edit videos. The first thing I'm going to do is show Streamlabs. This right here is what you're going to need to record, and it's going to look really ridiculous, but put this right here. The image kind of goes on and on and on, but it's all right. It's all right, guys. This is what it's supposed to look like when it's recording. The first thing I'm going to do is show you how to make sure your video is in high quality when recording. If you're trying to record, the first thing I would suggest is go under video. This is where you can make your video as high quality as you want it. Now I do 1920 by 1080 for when I'm recording, and every time I stream I turn it into 920 by 900 because you want to get as much quality in your streams as possible. And if you try to do 1920 by 1080 on both, your video quality won't be as good on stream. But yeah, that's what you're going to need to do. Under output, you can scroll down to recording, and you could choose wherever you want your video to go to. When you're done recording, you can put it on your desktop. You can hit browse and you can select it to your desktop if you want it to. I do it under video because that's where video should be, in a video category, and in your file explorer down here. In here is your settings. You want to go to settings if you're trying to set your microphone. I got the HyperX microphone. So what you want to do is click this gear icon. This is your options for your microphone. You want to hit properties and select device and click whatever device you're using for your microphone. And then if you're trying to do a display capture, which is what I'm using right now, so you can see everything on my desktop, you would have to hit plus button and click on display capture, and it should pop up like this when it's all said and done. And of course, and for your webcam, you want to hit the plus sign. Also have to hit the plus sign and hit video capture device. This is where you get to select your webcam and turn it on. Right click it and go to properties, and you can select your webcam, and you can also adjust it. I'm not gonna adjust it because I don't like messing my stuff up, but you can grab and drag wherever you want to put your webcam. Same for your display capture. Game capture is for video games only. Whatever game that is playing currently, you click on properties, you right click it, and go to properties, and then you click whatever game you're playing. It would automatically pop up in this list. And now, since we've uncovered the majority of what you need to do, all you gotta do is hit the record button and start recording. A friend of mine recommended me recording and then hit buffer, so that way you might have a chance of getting better quality content when it's all said and done. You know, quick and simple, easy. It's time to move on to editing. Now, once you are done recording, you take your editing software. I personally use Wondershare X. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by any of these platforms, nor am I sponsoring. And you want to click on New Project, and then all this will pop up. Remind me later. And this is where you do all your editing. If you want to place a video, all you gotta do is click on this little icon right here. Go under videos or whatever file you put your videos under, and you can click and drag into this little box, or you can just double click and it will just, this whole thing will just close out. But you don't want to do that. You want to put a crap ton of things in there. You know, you can put non-copyrighted music in here. You can put sound effects in here. There's a lot of features that this editing software has. To edit your video, all you have to do is click on this video, drag it into this little video box. It's gonna ask you the quality you want. You want the quality to match. Yes, you want to keep project settings. It's up to you, but I always prefer to try my absolute best to make sure it matches. Now, at first, when you place your video in here, it's going to cut your quality for some reason. I have no idea why, but you can put it on full, and you can see your video in full quality as you're cutting and editing. Now, to edit your videos, you can easily cut and drag. You can just drag it to wherever you want. just right click on the video. You always hit split and you click on the pieces that you do not want. You right click again and you hit delete, or you can hit one of these buttons, click on it and just delete it, and it will automatically delete itself. My personal tip is when you are talking during a video, always make sure you continue on talking. You cut out all the parts where you aren't talking and it pastes all together. For example, here's me talking. What is up, people? Saying what is up, people? And there's a big gap here. What? You can take this gap and simply just cut it. Just like that. That extra little space where I'm not talking. And it'll just do this. What is up, people? Welcome back to Genshin Impact. I always cut out my uhs and stutters, so it makes my speech a little bit more fluent and a lot better for somebody to understand. It's always good to use the split and delete method to help make sure your content runs smoothly. Now, of course, for music, you want to right click and hit import, or you can click on import media in this little box and you click on the file that you have non-copyrighted music, and click and drag like this, English country, and click and drag into the music. Got a little music icon right there. That's where you have to place it. Now here's my personal tip for people who are interested in editing their videos. When you place a video in the video box, hit right click and hit detach audio. The reason of doing this is sometimes when you record, your voice sometimes don't match the video, and sometimes you have to adjust the audio with the video to make it just right. And if you want to add music, you can just click and drag under here and it'll create another box, another sound box right under your detached audio, and it can play simply like this. What is up, people? Welcome back to Genshin Impact. This is your boy Fighter Let's Play. Although my name is not Fighter Let's Play anymore. But yeah, that's my tip to you guys. That's what I would like to show you. If you want more in detail, like any specific questions, please leave in the comment section below and I will answer your questions. If I have to make another tutorial on how to do certain things with the editing software, I'll make a video on just the editing software. If you have any troubles with the recording software on Streamlabs, put it in the comment section below and I'll make a video on the streaming software. This is your boy KingCyberWolf signing off. Peace. Also, please make sure to hit that like button. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell if you want to get notified for more of my content. Thank you and see you later.